When it comes to enhancing the overall look and feel of your home, curb appeal is often one of the most important aspects to consider. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to elevate its exterior, first impressions matter. A major yet often overlooked factor that can make a significant difference in your home's curb appeal is window replacement. In Bartow, a town known for its beautiful homes and picturesque neighborhoods, the right windows can not only boost the aesthetic value of your property but also increase its market value. Here's how replacing your windows can improve your Bartow home's curb appeal. Fresh, modern look. One of the quickest ways to give your home a facelift is by upgrading the windows. Older windows, especially those with outdated frames, can detract from your home's overall appeal. Cracked panes, chipped frames, and worn-out finishes are noticeable from the street and can make your home appear less well-maintained. By opting for modern, stylish replacement windows, you immediately refresh the exterior. Choose window styles that complement your home's architecture, whether it's traditional double-hung windows, sleek casement designs, or energy-efficient sliding windows. The right choice of windows can give your home a contemporary, polished look that stands out in a positive way. Increased natural light and open feel. Windows are the eyes of your home, and much like how we rely on our eyes to convey energy and life, windows can drastically affect how a house feels both inside and out. When you replace old, worn-out windows, you can opt for larger panes or more expansive designs that allow more natural light to pour into your home. The result is not just better illumination but also a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. Homes with plenty of natural light appear larger and more welcoming, both from the inside and outside. A light-filled house creates a vibrant ambiance that naturally draws people in and invites them to take a closer look at the property. Energy efficiency and environmental benefits. In Bartow, where the sun shines brightly for much of the year, energy-efficient windows can be a game-changer. Old windows are often poorly insulated, leading to drafts and temperature fluctuations inside your home. This can make your HVAC system work harder, driving up your energy bills. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models, designed with advanced glazing and insulation, helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature while reducing your energy consumption. Not only does this improve comfort, but it's also an attractive selling point for potential buyers who are looking for eco-friendly homes. Additionally, new windows can help reduce your carbon footprint by minimizing the need for excessive heating and cooling. This environmental impact, combined with lower utility costs, makes window replacement a smart investment that benefits both your wallet and the planet. Improved architectural design. Windows are a key design element of any home. A well-chosen window replacement can complement your home's architectural style and tie together various features of the exterior. For instance, if your home has a more traditional design, opting for classic double-hung or bay windows can enhance the nostalgic charm. On the other hand, modern, angular casement windows could align perfectly with a contemporary aesthetic. If your Bartow home is nestled in a historical district or community with specific design requirements, there are window styles that meet both modern efficiency and heritage aesthetics. Whether you're going for a timeless look or something more contemporary, new windows can provide that finishing touch that aligns with your home's character. Increased property value. As Bartow continues to grow in both population and real estate value, homeowners are increasingly aware of the importance of making their homes stand out in the market. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase property value. According to experts, new windows can significantly enhance a home's resale potential, often providing a return on investment that exceeds the initial cost. Potential buyers tend to be drawn to homes with updated features, including modern windows that not only enhance curb appeal but also promise energy savings and reduced maintenance. Conclusion. In Bartow, where the charm of the town's architecture and natural beauty creates a unique backdrop for homeowners, window replacement is a smart and effective way to elevate your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enjoy your space more, replacing your windows offers a variety of benefits. From enhancing the visual appeal and energy efficiency of your home to increasing its value, investing in new windows is a decision that pays dividends. Don't underestimate the power of a simple upgrade. Replacing your windows could be the key to transforming your home into the gem of your neighborhood.